Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell and show you how you can repost a video to your TikTok page. Friends, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to put likes under the video and write your comments at the end of viewing. So let us get started with you. And when you watch some video in TikTok, let's say, and you like it and you would like to repost the video to yourself. To do that, you'll need to click on the bottom right on this arrow here. Next, friends, you will need to select this repost option. As you can see, you will immediately see the sign that says that you have reposted this video. And now you can easily find it if you go to your profile and click on this 2-arrow sign. And this is where you'll see all the videos that you've reposted. Here's the video that you and I just added. And let's say, if you did it by accident, or you're tired of the video, or it's out of date, I'll show you how you can also remove the repost. To do that, you'll need to click on this arrow and click on the 2 Remove from Repost arrows again. And now, friends, when you go back to your reposts, to your pages, you will no longer see this video. This is the way, friends, you can quickly and easily repost a video in TikTok to yourself and to your page. I really hope this video was helpful and useful for you. Please, friends, don't forget to write your comments, put your likes, and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.